When something goes wrong with your car tire, or if a feature you should know about gets activated, a signal funnels through the electrical system and into the dashboard. This may look like your dashboard may be different, and the symbol may have altered designs, or indicate slightly different things, so be sure to consult your owner's manual. Before I get into this video, kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, so that you can get all the latest videos and updates instantly. Let's go ahead and find out more about portable electric car air compressor. Let's first talk about the features. Wired portable design. The wired design and compact miniature size of this tire inflator make it easy to carry and easy to operate with one hand. You only need 4 steps to start inflation. The LCD screen shows real-time pressure on the side, so you can monitor the pressure without bending to see the bottom. Fast automatic inflation. The tire inflator has 4 switchable pressure units, C, bar, kPa, kilograms or centimeters, so you can preset the tire pressure as needed. When the preset tire pressure is reached, the tire pump will automatically shut off. The maximum inflation pressure of the inflator is 150 C. Night use. When inflated, one LED light will automatically light up. There are LED lights on the bottom and real-time pressure display on the LCD. You can conveniently use the digital inflator as a tire pressure gauge and inflator in the dark. Multifunction or do tire pump is cordless and portable design, which can cover all tires of bicycles, motorcycles, automobiles, including SUV. Also equipped with 3 nozzle adapters for mattresses, airships, toys, sports balls, inflatable products. Multi-purpose design for your life. Fit for automotive, SUV, RV tires. Fit for bicycle or motorcycle tires. Sports equipment. Fit for inflatable toys. Note, not applicable to trucks, coaches, motorhomes, trucks. Specification. Inflation efficiency. 15 liter per minute. Inflation pressure. 100 psi. Maximum pressure unit. PSI. Bar. kPa. Kilograms per centimeter square. External air hose length. 13 centimeters 0.5 centimeters. 5.10.2 inches. Working temperature. 0 degrees centigrade to 60 degrees centigrade. Size. 150 into 61 into 43 millimeters. Weight. 550 grams. Maximum continuous working time. 8 minutes. How to use. 1. Connect the wire to the 12 volt cigarette lighter. 2. Connect the inflator tube to the air compressor. 3. Connect the hose to the bottom tire valve core. 4. Press the buckle on the air hose to prevent air leakage. 5. Press the unit button to wake up the LCD screen. 6. Press the buttons plus and to preset the tire pressure. 7. Press the power button to start inflation, and it will stop automatically when the preset pressure is reached. The package includes 1 air compressor, 1 cigarette lighter charging cable, 1 air hose, 25 centimeters, 1 Presta valve, 1 ball pin, 1 toy nozzle, 1 user manual. That's it for today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in next episode of Get Smart. Peace.